What's up, humans? How are y'all doing? I decided to make a compilation of us wheezing and making weird laughing noises, so yeah, hope you enjoy.
Oh, sorry, like you're going to the toilet. Kukupitachi. Oh my god. Grab it tight. Kill them up.
What the fuck?
You say you're asking someone to take a dump in your glass.
What?
I'm sorry. You're asking a question.
Whoa.
Just
Bro,
go,
I'm gonna take a bump in my panties. Pants. Pants.
Take a bump in your pants. You're threatening the dump.
Shit.
Oh, he closed the door before he closed the door again.
Hey! I'm stuck! Oh my god! Shit!
Hey, baby!
Yes?
Not you!
Holy shit!
Okay, bye! Oh my god.
Yes! Horse, wait! Kiko, holy shit, dude.
Renata will be like, fatality. Get over here!
Oh god.
Diaper!
What?
Diaper! My god, diaper!
By the way, that was not furniture from that one.
Oh!